we go again with another Rasta pasta recipe for my vegan family. Just like you guys requested, I'm always here to deliver. You ask, me listen, and yeah, we give it. If you're new to my channel and watching me cook this vegan recipe for your very first time, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notification settings and on, so you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload a brand new video. So we are waiting on. Let's get started.
Remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari. Why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
Here we go again, Goodie. This is a recipe that you guys have requested. When you want to see the vegan version of how to make a nice and tasty Rasta pasta in your kitchen, on your table, fast, easy, and simple, I'm always listening, honey, and I'm here to deliver. Let's get started. Okay, goodies, I'm gonna walk you right through this vegan Rasta pasta recipe based on what you guys have requested. Fast, easy, and simple. You ready for the ride? Hold on and let's start the recipe and roll in. You're going to need your meat substitute. Right there is your vegan meat, right? Now, I'm going to insert a couple of videos down below to show you how to achieve the best tasting flavor vegan meat. Meat substitute, vital wheat gluten. Meat substitute down below. Alright, we're going to add all of them clips down below. Now, you're also going to need coconut milk for this recipe. You're going to need almond milk. The almond milk of my choice is the extra vanilla almond milk, right? If you don't have that, just the almond milk though. Now, you're going to need your grated parmesan cheese. You're also going to need some parsley. To that, you're going to need the vegan butter, of course, fresh garlic. You also need seasoning salt for the recipe, as well as you're going to be adding some jerk season mix. Now, if you don't want to go back to routine, go homemade. I'm going to also insert that link down below to show you how to make your own jerk season in your house, fast, easy, and simple. Now, the pasta of my choice is spinach and macaroni along with some tomatoes pasta. Now you could use any kind of pasta you want to use in your kitchen, because as always, you know, your kitchen, your thing. Go ahead and use that. Now, the vegetable dish is all the bell pepper of your choice, because not only you want it colorful, but you want it flavorful as well. You're going to need yellow, green, red, and orange bell peppers. To that, I'm gonna add some onions. Don't chop it up like I always say. When you make Rasta pasta, don't chop up the vegetable then. Now you're gonna need a little bit of scallion, just to top it off when you're done. So let's start cooking. Now y'all, that's my first step. After I'm done make my vegan meat using vital wheat gluten, that is what you should have. All I'm going to do with this meat right here is just cut a little piece off, because if I was going to make a whole lot, I would probably use the whole lot, but I'm not make a whole batch. And that is what your meat looks like on the inside. All I'm gonna do is slice this baby up. And your meat is ready. Now y'all, let's start cooking. I'm going to add some sesame seed oil into that pot. To that, I'm going to add my vegan butter. And I'm going to add my garlic. Combine that together. Then we add our vegan meat. Now to that, you want to add your jerk seasoning to it. Then you add the coconut milk and your almond milk. Now you want to go ahead and add your pasta in there and add all your vegetables as well. Your grated parmesan cheese, all-purpose seasoning, and some dried parsley. Yes, 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 no. And mix that baby all up in there. How to make vegan style Rasta pasta in your kitchen. Fast, easy and simple. Vegan life, goodie. Not get no better than that. There you have it, guys, another amazing vegan recipe for you. It was fast, it was easy, and it was simple. But they've now mentioned how good it is, you know. Yes, good, good, good. Now, don't forget to like the video, share the video with friends and family. Don't forget to tell me what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.